Everyone, welcome to week 12 of 15 for your quantitative reasoning support course. For this week, we're going to continue working in Unit 4. Please note the college will be closed Friday the 7th to Sunday the 9th. So I did extend the due by date until Sunday just in case anybody is traveling. But I will be out of the office Wednesday the 5th starting at 1:30 and I'll return on Monday. So please plan accordingly if you have any questions. For this week's support, you're going to be 14A, 14B, 15A, and 15B. If you have any questions throughout the week, please just shoot me an email. I will be trying to check it throughout the break, but can't guarantee that I won't get back to you until Monday. So please reach out. There's also these helpful videos and activities if you guys need them. So let's just take a quick look at that real quick. And these just have extra videos in case you're struggling on things like sample and population. There's a little game, crossword puzzle, so you do have all these resources available as well. I hope you guys all have a great week.